Steve, I got a simple story. Every year, there were 5 90-year-old ladies who went on vacation. One year, one lady said, hey, let's each put $100 in this box. We'll tape up the box, and next year we're going to go on vacation. We'll bring the box with us, and those of us who are still alive, we'll open the box and we'll split the money. They said, Helen, that's a great idea. So you got 5 90-year-old ladies. They each put $100 in the box. It's $500. They taped up the box. What happened the next year? They forgot where they put the box. No, unfortunately, one lady's died. So now 4 ladies split the $500. They each get $125. Now that was a 25% rate of return in 12 months. They got 2 questions to ask you. How much of that was invested in the stock market? 0. What interest rate did it earn? 0. How did they get paid 25% with no money in the market, no interest rate? It's because they got paid mortality credits. So a lady looks at this, she looks at a brokerage account, she said, this is a pretty good deal. We ought to put it back in the box, tape it back up, and do it again. So they let it ride. The next year, one more lady died. Now 3 ladies split the $500. They each get $167. That's a 67% return in 2 years. No money in the markets, no interest rates. Why? Because they got paid mortality credits. See, Steve, this shows every check is composed of 3 parts. Principal. That's the orange box. Interest. That's the gray box. But it's these mortality credits that are really a new form of alpha, as we talked about.